foot, right foot, right. Feet in the day, feet in the light. Feet in the day.
不用那么大。
Feet in the night.
好好念。
Left foot, right foot.
不用那么大。
High foot.
Yeah, that's
low
good.
Foot.
That's good.
Front feet.
Bless you.
Front feet, back feet, 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 feet. How many different feet you meet? Slow feet, quick feet. Round feet, sick feet. Up feet, down feet. Here comes clown feet. Small feet,
Mommy,
big feet.
funny.
Here comes pig's feet. His feet, her feet, fuzzy fur feet. In the house and on the street. How many different feet you meet?